Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. Today we are going to discuss about packaging of meat. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications. Packaging. The primary function of a meat package is to protect the product from physical damage, microbial deterioration and chemical changes, and also to present the product to the consumer in the most attractive manner possible. Packaging protects food from contamination by microorganisms, dirt, parasites and other toxic substances. It prevents or delays undesirable changes in the appearance, flavor, odor and the texture. Reduces loss and uptake of water. It serves the purpose of convenience and communication. Properties of packaging material. The packaging material used should have the following properties. First one, mechanical strength, flexibility, lightweight, and it should be of odorless, resistance to hot and cold temperatures, oils and fats. It should be hygienic, easy to recycle and of low cost. Sealing capability. Some packaging materials are required to have good thermoplastic properties. Melt or seal together along when heated. Barrier against gases. Good barrier properties against oxygen and evaporation are important. Oxygen barrier for maintenance of color of meat and to prevent development of oxidative rancidity. Evaporation barrier to prevent shrinkage losses and drying. Barrier against light. Light causes undesirable color changes, oxidation and rancidity of meat and meat products. Films laminated with aluminum can counter the adverse effects of the light. Materials used for packaging. It is derived from synthetic plastics. Materials are polyethylene, polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, polyester, polyamide. Right side, the polyethylene PE is oxygen permeable, water vapor impermeable. Polyamide, it is oxygen impermeable and water vapor permeable. Other substances are PVDC, EVOH and PEN. Packaging films. Packaging films are classified into single layer films and multi-layer film. Single layer films. Wrapping of meat pieces, processed meat products, bone-in or boneless meat cuts or even entire carcasses. Usually self-adhesive materials are used like PE, PA, PVC and PP. Freezer storage. Cold resistant films suitable for freezer storage are PA and PE. PA and PE are normally used for freeze storage purpose. Wrapping of chilled meat portions, fresh meat packaging, PE or soft PVC are used for this purpose. Multi-layer films for packaging of meat, a combination of oxygen and moisture impermeability is required. Multiple layers may just have 2 layers or more than 2 layers. 2 layers. The film on the outer layer and film the inner layer. The film on the outer layer has good mechanical strength and impermeable to oxygen. The innermost layer, what is the peculiarity of the innermost layer? The innermost layer is impermeable to water vapor and must possess good sealant and thermoplastic properties. It is an efficient combination of PA and PE. 3 layers. Besides the 2 layers, there is a middle layer. It should be barrier to oxygen. Normally PVDC is used. Sealant layer, that is the inner layer, PE or ionomer is used. Outside layers, PA, PE or PP are used. Packaging materials and techniques. Tray with overwrap. Used for packaging of retail cuts of fresh meat. Meat is placed in rigid trays of expanded polystyrene or clear plastic trays and overwrapped with transparent plastic films. Films used cellophane coated with nitrocellulose or polyethylene on one side. LDPE, PVC are also used. It can be stored for 10 days at a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Next one is vacuum packaging. What is vacuum packaging? The product is placed inside a pack or tray. Air is then removed and the pack is sealed. That is a vacuum packaging. Oxygen deficient and anaerobic condition is formed, which decreases the growth of aerobic spoilage microorganisms. It protects against desiccation and rancidity. Shelf life of up to 3 weeks for fresh meat, 8 to 10 weeks in the case of beef, 0 degrees Celsius for beef, lower for lamb and pork. It is used for packaging of primal and subprimal cuts. Some materials used are copolymer, coated cellulose, PE films, polyester, PE film laminates, nylon or PE films laminates. Usually PE is inside to promote heat seal. Laminates of plastic films with aluminum foil. Shrink packaging. What is shrink packaging? It is used for wrapping large and uneven cuts of fresh meat. Heat shrinkable polymer film is shrunk around the meat product by application of heat, usually sprayed or dipped in hot water after vacuum packaging. Materials used are PVC, cellophane, rubber hydrochloride, polypropylene, irradiated PE and PVDC. That are the materials used over here. Skin packaging. Next one is skin packaging. It is also called vacuum skin packaging, also known as VSP. The products are placed on a rigid film. Another flexible film is heated for increased flexibility and drapes around the product, forming a tight skin mass. Storage 2 weeks at 1 degree Celsius. Modified atmosphere packaging. Foods are packaged and in higher barrier packages in which air has been replaced with an artificial atmosphere. Commonly used gases are oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. For red meats, 60 to 80% of oxygen, 20 to 30% of carbon dioxide, up to 20% of nitrogen. If percentage is 70, 20 and 10, shelf life storage 7 to 12 days at 2 degrees Celsius. Processed and cured meat, 20% to 30% of carbon dioxide is used, 70% to 80% of nitrogen is also used. Materials used for this purpose are PVC, PE and PT. Active packaging. It is the incorporation of certain additives into packaging film or within packaging containers with the aim of maintaining and extending the shelf life. Oxygen scavengers for cured meat, carbon dioxide scavengers and emitters for fresh meat. Temperature control agents are also used. Preservative releasers, moisture absorbers, antimicrobial packaging technologies are also employed in this active packaging. Intelligent packaging indicators are used for quality control of packed food. External and internal indicators can be used. Monitors the quality, safety, condition of food product and can provide early warning to the consumer or food manufacturer about the quality of the food. Example, barcode, RFID tags, time temperature indicators, gas indicators, freshness indicators, pathogen indicators and biosensors are also used or employed over here or in the case of intelligent packaging. Modern packaging techniques. Retortable flexible pouch. It is a flexible package into which a food product is placed, sealed and then sterilized at temperature between 110 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius. It does not require refrigeration. It has 3 layers. Outer layers of PE, PA or PP. It gives physical strength. The middle layer of aluminum foil, barrier against water vapor, gases and light. And the third layer is the inner layer, PE, PP, PVC, provides heat, sealability and food contact. Roast in bags. It is an oven stable vacuum skin package that can be used to cook meat at a temperature up to 204 degrees Celsius. Cryovac packages, pre-cooked meat packages with shrink film. The equipments are made and supplied by Cryovac. Microwave packages. Microwave package is a package which can be used for cooking or heating the product in a microwave oven. Materials used: polyester, polypropylene, nylon and PVC can be used in combination or as monolayers for microwave packages. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notifications.